Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alif. As we all know, relationships and families are important aspects of human lives and societies. We are all someone's son, someone's daughter, brother, sister, partners, spouses. Some of us are even mothers or fathers to our own children. However, not all types of relationships and families are seen as equal around the world. Take me, for example. I am currently in a long-term gay relationship with my partner, and this year we celebrated our 10th anniversary together. However, like many other LGBT couples and families in Singapore, my relationship is not exactly accepted by Singapore society, nor is my relationship legally recognized by Singapore law. Yet, many couples and families just like mine still exist right here in Singapore. What exactly do these couples and families face, and what do they do in a context that continues to sideline their relationships and families? Well, that's where my research comes in. My PhD research examined the social and political challenges that these couples and families face and the ways in which they navigate these challenges to maintain their relationships here in Singapore. So what have I found? My analysis of news media reports show how LGBT couples and families continue to be represented as deviant, as the other, as unnatural, as undeserving compared to heterosexual couples and families. My analysis of qualitative interviews showed how this group remain vulnerable because of the lack of legal recognition and support. They can't get married, they don't qualify for subsidies or housing subsidies. What if one of them gets sick, or even worse, pass away? Will the health and legal systems in Singapore honor their wishes as long-term partners? What then keeps them going in the Singapore context? My quantitative research findings show that all LGBT couples suffered greatly from the discrimination and unequal relationship recognition in Singapore. However, couples who worked together as a team, who remained pragmatic, who showed humor, who showed gratitude towards each other, fared slightly better than couples who did not. Additionally, couples who fared better also sought support from families of choice, surrounding themselves with people such as families, friends, and colleagues who were accepting of their relationship. Also, they sought support from safe spaces and communities, like the one of the annual pink dot shown right here in my background. These people, attributes, and spaces are the ones that keep these relationships going, even when certain segments of Singapore society, or even their own biological families, reject them. Ultimately, my research has shown how LGBT couples and families, like mine, are just as loving and just as committed as any other couple and family right here in Singapore. So why aren't we seen as families too? Thank you.